Welcome to Learn Malay with Aaron. Today, you'll learn enough Malay to introduce yourself in less than 5 minutes. And the best part? Malay is one of the easiest languages to pronounce because most words sound exactly how they are written. Now let's learn our first word. Nama. Nama means name, and it sounds very similar to the English word. Let's hear it again. Nama.
Nama. Wow, that really does sound like name. I thought Malay would be much harder.
Exactly. That's one reason so many people find Malay easy to learn. You're off to a great start already. Nice. Now let's learn another important word. Saya. Saya can mean both I and me. Say it with me. Saya.
Saya. So, does that mean both I and me?
Great question. Yes, it does. Unlike English, Malay uses the same word for both. Simple, right?
So, if I want to say, my name is Frank, what do I say?
Great question, Frank. It's really simple. Just combine the two words and then add your name. Nama saya Frank. Literally, it means name, me, Frank. It sounds a little strange in English, but that's just how Malay works. Let's say it together. Nama saya Frank.
Nama saya Frank. Wait, that's it? There's no is?
Nope. Malay doesn't usually need words like is, am, or are in simple sentences. That's one reason many learners find Malay easier than English.
Oh, so it's actually fewer words to remember. I like that.
Now let's learn one more useful word. Dari. Dari. It means from. This is an important word because it helps you tell people where you're from. Let's say it together. Dari.
Dari. So, if I'm from Australia, do I just say, Saya dari Australia?
Exactly. You figured it out yourself. Saya dari Australia. Let's break it down. Saya means I. Dari means from. Australia is simply called Australia in Malay. So literally it becomes I from Australia. Again, the word order is a little different, but you'll get used to it very quickly. One more time. Saya dari Australia.
Ah, so I just swap out the country name. Saya dari United Kingdom.
That's right. Or I could say, Saya dari Malaysia. Some countries do have Malay names. For example, Japan becomes Japun, and Germany becomes German. Even if you use the English name, people here will almost always understand you. You've already learned the pattern. Now let's put everything together. Nama saya Aaron. Saya dari Malaysia. Sarah, would you like to introduce yourself?
Sure. Nama saya Sarah. Saya dari Australia.
Excellent. See? At the start of this lesson, you only knew one word. Now you can already introduce yourself. Frank, your turn.
Nama saya Frank. Saya dari United Kingdom. Hey, I can actually introduce myself now.
And now it's your turn. Pause the video and say these two sentences out loud. Nama saya blank. Saya dari blank. Then write them in the comments below. I'd love to see where everyone is from. In the next lesson, we'll learn some of the most useful beginner words in Malay, including yes, no, thank you, and excuse me. Until then, see you next time.